Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Python 3.14.6 on macOS. Now I am going to download Python 3.14.6. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Go to Google search, download Python for Mac, hit enter, click on first link, Python release for macOS. Now Python official website is open. Scroll down. Latest Python release 3.14.6. Click macOS installer. Now downloading is started. It is 74.5 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is Python setup file. Let's right click on it. Open with Installer. Welcome to the Python installer. Click Continue. Important information. Click Continue. Software license agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. Standard install on Mac HD. This will take 204.6 MB of space on your computer. Click Install. Type password. Rohit is admin user on this Mac. Click Install software. Python installation in progress. This will take some time. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Right click on Install Certificate Profile command. Open with Terminal. Process completed. Click on Close. Right click on Update Shell Profile command. Open with Terminal. Process completed. Click Close. Click Close. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to move the Python installer to the bin? In my case, I don't keep this installer. Click Move to bin. After Python installation, let's check the Python version. Go to Terminal. Type Python 3 version. Hit enter. Now you can see the Python version 3.14.6. This means our Python have successfully installed on my Mac machine. Close terminal. Now I'm going to run small program. Go to Spotlight. Type IDLE. Click on IDLE. Click Allow. Type print bracket open inverted comma Rohit Tech inverted comma bracket close. Hit enter. Now Rohit Tech is printed. You can also save this file. Go to File. Click Save. Type name rt.py. I'm saving this file on desktop. Click on Save. Now you can see file appears on desktop. So guys, that's all in this video. Hope you understand that how to install Python on Mac. If you have any query, please write down on comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.